Welcome back to iReview. Today I have a new product here. There's the company, I don't know how to say that, but it's AGPTEK maybe? This is the front of it. Alright, let's get in here. No, probably that side up. Alright, so this is instruction manual. It's a music player. This is the cord, very nice and slim. So there's on and off button, headphones button, charger port. There is no protective screen on here. Go ahead and fire it up. Alright, so the first thing it asks is language. So the pause and play button is okay. And songs, let's see you go in there. Okay, settings, pictures, ebook, tools, recorder, Bluetooth, folder, FM radio, music. Go to settings, display settings, on, power off, sleep timer, date and time, information, format device, factory settings. So if you want to get out of the settings or wherever you are, you press the left button. Tools, odometer, video, calendar, stopwatch, clock. That's pretty cool. Very detailed. Guess we should find English, page 1 to 10. Screen is 1.8 inches. Weight 30 grams. Dimensions 38 by 8 by 90 millimeters. Flash memory 8, 16, 32, 64, and 128 gigabytes. Audio comes MP3, WAV, APEU, MA, FLA, etc. Oh, FLAC, and etc. Video, MVVI, and they have brackets 128 by 160 converted video. Records audio in MP3 and WAV. Book is text, pictures, JPEG, and BMP. So the playing time, I guess, for the battery, 40 hours of music, 9 video, 14 FM radio, 40 recording, and 10 Bluetooth. Charging time 2 hours. Recording distance 3 meters, so it's like a conference recording kind of thing. Bluetooth range 10 meters in open space. Very nice. So it takes about, let's see, counting 5-ish seconds to turn on. Turn it off right away. This is how everything came in the box. Hope you guys enjoyed that little unboxing. Please like, subscribe, and share. Comment any suggestions. And have a great day.